This is Estero Pkwy, a bike lane with lots of green on it. Let's see. I know what you're thinking. Hey, this is a bike gutter, not a bike lane. Trust me, it gets better. We're going over I-75. This is not an exit, just a bridge over the highway at about mile 124. We're coming down from the bridge, about to cross Three Oaks. This is still the old bike lane, opened in 2009. You can see the design, and you're gonna see the difference right now. This is the new bike lane from 2 years ago. Now this has turned into a buffer bike lane instead of a regular bike lane. The buffer is the two stripes on the side that give you about 20 inches separation from the moving cars. Now they got these green thingies at every right turn lane. That helps. Now this doesn't change the rules of the road. You're going straight, you keep going straight on your bike lane. If you're going to do a right turn, you have to merge into the right turn lane only for cars. And for cars that want to do a right turn, they go over the green stripes and join the right turn lane. Now there's sidewalks on both sides of the road. It's almost 2 miles of sidewalks. Decent sidewalk, totally separated from the bike lane. But it stops, as you can see, it stops just before the train tracks. It makes you walk on the road, and then it starts again. There you go, back to the sidewalk. I don't know, I think that doesn't make any sense. I think this is the bare minimum bike facility we're gonna accept in the future. But at the same time, there's so many people that won't ride on this one. People don't like cars moving so fast right next to them. Now this red Toyota is demonstrating how to use the green stripes. This is a good bike lane. It connects 3 north-south corridors, 41, Three Oaks, and Ben Hill Griffin. There's a lot of people living around the area. There's some restaurants and shops. But it's not for everybody. It's still not what they call for all ages and abilities. There's so many people that won't ride this kind of bike lanes. Now, still a step on the right direction.